Welcome to the What's New in Fusion 360 Manufacturing for September 2021. This month, there are a few updates that show how much we care about the details, so let's take a look. Flat machining is a recent addition to the manufacture workspace to improve toolpathing of flat areas. Take a look at the simulation for this operation, and note that all the linking moves retract all the way to the top of the part. This is great for clearance and peace of mind, but if you're trying to operate your machine at peak productivity, try the smooth transition type to reduce unnecessary retract moves. Notice that the tool stays closer to the part during linking moves between passes. Be sure to take into consideration any clamps or fixtures in your setup while using reduced height linking moves. Another update this month is the release of optimized perpendicular passes in steep and shallow, formerly a preview feature. To use optimized parallel passes, use a threshold angle of 90 degrees and enable optimized perpendicular passes in the shallow passes section. Now parallel pass directions will be optimized based on the approach angle of the face to be machined. When you're ready to use simulation to try out your spruced up flat and steep and shallow toolpaths, you'll find that simulating from an NC program will now allow machine simulation, very useful if you're trying to simulate what's been selected just for an NC program. Also worth mentioning is updated tooltips. We're adding better descriptions and content to help you, so be on the lookout for better help in these pop-ups. Finally, we're always updating vendor content, so check out the machine and post library as well as the vendor tools website to see what's been added. And that's all for what's new this month in Fusion 360 Manufacturing. Don't forget to check out Kaching's blog post to read about what else is new in Fusion 360. See you next time.